Want to supercharge your Chrome browser with AI? Here are 5 insane Chrome extensions that use artificial intelligence to boost your productivity, creativity, and focus. And yes, they're all free. First up, Compose AI. This extension writes emails, messages, and replies using AI, right inside your browser. Just hit Tab and it completes your sentence. It's like autocomplete on steroids. Tired of watching long videos? With this tool, you can get an instant summary of any YouTube video using ChatGPT. Great for students, researchers, and content creators who want the info fast. Meet Glasp, your AI-powered highlighter for the internet. Highlight anything you read online, take smart notes, and sync with Notion or Obsidian. Perfect for building your second brain. Think of Monica as ChatGPT living in your browser. It can translate, summarize, explain code, and even generate text, all in one click. It's a true AI sidekick for everyday browsing. Finally, HARPA AI. This tool reads websites, scrapes data, monitors price drops, and automates searches using ChatGPT. It's insanely powerful, like a Swiss Army knife for AI tasks. These Chrome extensions are changing how we browse and work. Try one today and turn your browser into a personal AI assistant. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more weekly videos from Gearbyte Media.